Imagine owning a luxury mansion on wheels that combines cutting-edge technology, world-class comfort, and the freedom to travel anywhere you want. Well, in 2026, Prevost is taking luxury RV living to a whole new level with their stunning new models, the Durango and the Misano. These aren't just motorhomes. They are rolling five-star hotels designed for those who want nothing but the best. Today, we're diving deep into what makes the 2026 Prevost Durango and Misano the future of luxury RV living. From their breathtaking exteriors to their ultra-luxurious interiors, innovative technology, performance, and of course, their price tag. Number 1, brand legacy and introduction. Before we explore these two masterpieces, let's talk a bit about Prevost. For decades, Prevost has been a leader in the world of motor coaches, known for their superior craftsmanship, durability, and custom luxury designs. Unlike many RV brands that mass-produce vehicles, Prevost coaches are handcrafted with precision and attention to detail. That's why celebrities, business executives, and even touring musicians often choose Prevost for their private motorhomes. And now, with the launch of the 2026 Durango and Misano, Prevost is once again pushing the boundaries of what's possible in RV living. Number 2, exterior design and first impressions. Let's start with the exterior. Both the Durango and the Misano are built on Prevost's legendary motor coach chassis, which is famous for its stability and safety. But it's not just about engineering. These models are stunning to look at. The Durango comes with sleek, bold design featuring sculpted side panels, massive panoramic windows, and aerodynamic lines that make it look more like a futuristic luxury bus than a traditional RV. The LED lighting system gives it a modern glow at night, and custom paint options allow buyers to personalize the coach to match their style. The Misano, on the other hand, has a slightly more elegant and streamlined exterior. Think of it as the modern mansion on wheels look, with smooth curves, a touch of European flair, and a design that screams sophistication. Both models also include high-end features like automatic leveling systems, expandable slide-outs, and integrated awnings that create outdoor lounge spaces with just a push of a button. Number 3, interior luxury and comfort. Now, let's step inside, because this is where the magic really happens. The interiors of the Durango and Misano are designed like high-end luxury apartments. Picture Italian leather seating, custom hardwood cabinetry, ambient LED mood lighting, and handcrafted finishes that make every corner feel premium. The Durango is aimed at those who want a bold, adventurous vibe. It features modern open floor plans, large living areas, and cutting-edge smart technology built right into the design. You get a massive living lounge with reclining leather sofas, a 4K smart TV, and even a surround sound system that rivals high-end home theaters. The kitchen is fully equipped with state-of-the-art appliances. Think induction cooktops, convection ovens, and even a smart refrigerator that can manage groceries for you. The Misano, meanwhile, leans more towards elegance and comfort. It has a slightly softer, more refined interior with neutral tones, elegant marble-inspired countertops, and a spacious bedroom that feels like a luxury hotel suite. The bathroom features a full walk-in shower with rainfall shower heads, heated floors, and spa-style lighting that makes it feel like a wellness retreat. Both models come with smart home integration, meaning you can control lighting, climate, and entertainment from a tablet or even your smartphone. Voice control is also an option, so you could literally walk in and say, "Hey, dim the lights and play some jazz," and the system takes care of it. For space and functionality, one of the best things about the 2026 Durango and Misano is how much thought has gone into making every inch of space functional. The slide-out sections expand to create massive living areas, making the RV feel almost double its size when parked. There are hidden storage compartments everywhere, under seating, inside cabinetry, and even under the bed. For families or those traveling with friends, the Durango can be configured with additional sleeping quarters, including convertible sofas and hidden bunks. The Misano focuses more on couples or solo travelers who want ultimate comfort, with a dedicated king-size bedroom that feels more permanent. And let's not forget the outdoor features. Integrated exterior kitchens, entertainment systems, and even fold-down patios on some configurations make outdoor living just as luxurious as the inside. 5. Performance and engineering. Of course, luxury doesn't mean much if the vehicle doesn't perform. That's where Prevost shines. Both the Durango and Misano are built on Prevost's legendary motor coach platform, powered by Volvo D13 engines that deliver smooth, powerful performance even on steep mountain roads. These engines are not only strong, but also surprisingly fuel-efficient for a vehicle this size, thanks to advanced aerodynamics and new eco-friendly systems. The ride quality is another area where Prevost dominates. With independent suspension, advanced stability control, and adaptive cruise systems, the driving experience is silky smooth. Whether you're driving cross-country or just a few hundred miles, the ride feels more like a luxury SUV than a giant motorhome. Safety is also top-notch, with collision avoidance systems, lane assist, and advanced braking technologies built in. Number 6, technology and innovation. What really sets the 2026 models apart is the technology. Prevost has gone all in with smart innovations. The Durango and Misano come with full digital cockpit displays, offering everything from navigation to real-time vehicle diagnostics. Drivers get a 360-degree camera system, making it incredibly easy to maneuver these massive coaches in tight spaces. Onboard Wi-Fi 6 and satellite internet ensure that you stay connected anywhere in the country, perfect for digital nomads or those who want to work while traveling. Solar panel integration and advanced battery systems also make these RVs more eco-friendly, giving owners the ability to live off-grid for extended periods without relying heavily on generators. And for those who love entertainment, the Durango even offers an optional cinema package with projector, automated blackout blinds, and a sound system that rivals IMAX theaters. 7. Pricing and target audience. Now let's talk about the price, because luxury like this doesn't come cheap. The 2026 Prevost Durango is expected to start around $1.8 million, depending on customization. The Misano, being slightly more elegant and exclusive, starts closer to $2 million. And remember, these prices can go much higher depending on custom layouts, finishes, and personal requests. So who are these RVs for? Well, clearly not the average weekend camper. The Durango is perfect for adventurous high-net-worth individuals or families who want to travel the country in style without sacrificing any comfort. The Misano, on the other hand, is tailored for those who want a more refined, almost penthouse-like living experience on the road. Think CEOs, celebrities, or even retired couples who want to spend their golden years exploring in luxury. 8. The future of RV living. In many ways, the 2026 Durango and Misano represent more than just new RV models. They showcase where the future of RV living is headed. As technology continues to evolve, we're seeing RVs transform from simple travel vehicles into fully connected luxury smart homes. Energy efficiency, off-grid living, advanced connectivity, and ultimate comfort are all becoming standard. And brands like Prevost are at the forefront of that revolution. What's exciting is that innovation seen in high-end models like these eventually influence the entire RV market. So even if you're not spending $2 million on a motorhome, you can expect features like smart integration, solar power, and luxury interiors to trickle down into more affordable RVs in the years to come.